Hi, how are you? To all of you I've rescued from the flood, Nama, loving neighbors, loving you, and I'm really glad you made it. So it's a bit soggy. The water in the lakes is fresh. You can drink it, and don't forget if you want water from your taps or shower or to flush the toilet, link down into your heart to me, Terry. And yeah, remember, don't read. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, so it's a bit soggy the ground, but because but please enjoy it. Thank you. Remember, I'm Boss Beach here. Good Terry, thank you. So and if you need help, think down to your heart.